Do you want to restrict someone on Instagram? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. What does restricting on Instagram do? Restricting an Instagram account limits how they can interact with you. Here is what happens. When a restricted user comments on your posts, these comments are hidden by default. Only you can see them, and you have the option to approve or delete them before they become public. Messages from restricted accounts land in your requests box instead of your main DMs. You won't get notified and the sender won't see a read receipt even if you open the message. Restricted users cannot see if you are online or when you were last active on Instagram. Restricting offers a more subtle way to manage any unwanted interactions. The restricted user won't be notified and can still see your content, but their ability to bother you is significantly reduced. How to restrict someone on Instagram? Social media can be a great way to connect with people, but sometimes you encounter accounts that leave you wanting some space. Blocking someone entirely might be a bit harsh, but Instagram's restrict account feature offers you a middle ground. Here, we will show you 3 ways to restrict someone on Instagram. Restrict someone on Instagram from comments. Go to the comment section, find a comment from the user you want to restrict. Tap and hold the comment. Choose Restrict Account from the menu. Restrict someone on Instagram from direct messages. Open a chat with the user and tap their profile picture. On Android, tap on the downward arrow next to following. Next, select the Restrict Account option. Restrict someone on Instagram from user profile. To restrict someone from the user profile, visit the user's profile, tap the dot icon in the top corner, then select Restrict. How to restrict someone on Instagram? From the Settings and Activity page, go to your profile, tap the hamburger menu. From the Settings and Activity page, select Restricted Accounts. Click on Continue. Here, you can also search for usernames. Then tap on the Restrict button next to the name and restrict them directly. To unrestrict someone, follow the same steps but tap Unrestrict next to their name. Alternatively, visit their profile and tap Unrestrict under their bio. Remember that restricting is a tool to manage interactions, not disappearances. The restricted user might eventually figure it out, but it gives you more control over your Instagram experience. And there you have it, the method to restrict someone on Instagram. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the method. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.